If you've ever felt like the text in QuickBooks Online is just a little too small, you're not alone. When you're juggling numbers, reports, and endless lists, even a tiny zoom adjustment can make your entire workflow smoother. Today, I'll show you exactly how to zoom in on QuickBooks Online, quickly, cleanly, and in a way that works every time. Let's get right into it. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to the QuickBooks Online website. If you don't have it bookmarked yet, no worries, just type the URL or search QuickBooks Online and it'll be the first result. Once the page loads, look to the top right corner and click Sign In. Enter your email and password carefully. QuickBooks can be a bit picky with typos, so make sure everything is spelled correctly. Once you hit Sign In, you'll land inside your QuickBooks dashboard where all your financial data lives. Now that you're in, let's make your view easier to work with. If you're using Google Chrome, move your eyes to the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see the familiar 3 vertical dots. Click it and a drop-down menu will appear. From here, look for the section labeled Zoom. This is where the magic happens. You'll see a plus and minus button. Click the plus to zoom in. Every single click increases the size of everything you see. Your dashboard, your menus, your reports, all becoming clearer and easier to read. Keep clicking until the view feels just right for your eyes and screen size. And that's it. You've just zoomed in on QuickBooks Online using the simplest method possible. This tiny adjustment can make a massive difference. Fewer mistakes, smoother navigation, and a much more comfortable working experience. And if you ever want to go back to normal, just hit the minus button to return to your default zoom level. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped make your QuickBooks workflow a little easier, hit that like button and subscribe for more quick, practical tutorials just like this.